Okay, so let's release the desperation with the EFT. Again, for one moment, close your eyes. Focus on the part of the body where there is any desperation, pressure, urgency for anything you are facing. And witness that sensation, that body part. And let's begin the EFT. Even though I am feeling it desperate in my body right now, still I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though the desperation is not happening to me, it's my creation. Still, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am right now. Even though I know this emotion, this pressure is not serving me, still, I'm not releasing it. Still, I love and accept myself exactly the way right now. Let's begin at the beginning of the eyebrow. All this desperation feeling within me, I release, release. All this emotion of desperation running in my system, I release. All the thoughts within me that are creating this desperation in any area of my life, I all the beliefs in me, all the way to my past, present, or carrying for the future, which are creating this desperation and feeding it more and more. I really all the actions I take out of desperation in the past or even now, I release all the situations in my life in the past where I have learned this desperation as an emotion and start living it as a pattern. I release, release all the experiences in my life at any point of time which has created this pattern, this desperation within me. I release all the people in my life which have taught me this desperation, urgency, take pressure, knowingly or unknowingly, because of their pattern. I release any of my present situation or the people in my life which are creating this desperation and feeding this emotion within me. I release, release them now. I know this desperation is not helping any area of my life, and nothing is responsible for it. If I go to my childhood, I have been living this pattern. Do I remember when I wanted a toy and I was desperate for getting it from my parents, friends, or anyone, and how urgent I was for getting them? Sometimes go somewhere my childhood, or even now, how desperate I used to be since then. It was there within me since then, but not now. If I remember, I wanted to eat something ice cream, maybe a chocolate, and I was not getting it the same moment. How desperate I was. I was crying. I was stubborn. I was throwing tantrums to get that. Every small situation reminds me that this is a pattern to do with that my life right now. Even if I was trying for the job, for my relation, for anything right now, I lose. I get desperate. Why? Where is it? I'm not able to find why I'm getting late. See, if I look into the food, how many moments or how many things I will get. So now I choose to keep the abundance and pressure now. I choose to reset all the way to my past, my childhood memory, small moments. I choose to release it for all the small things or small conversations I create right now. I repeat right now. If I am free for anything in my future which is not happening, I choose to be peaceful and satisfied within myself. I am peaceful and content with the past. Whatever situations I have faced in the past, I choose to be and content my body and my nervous system, my present. I choose to believe that I am already peaceful and content within all areas of my life. I choose to take actions, the content in my day-to-day life, whether it is a small action, small conversation, or small goal. Perfect. I believe that I can choose, I can take action, be, and I know they will help me to reach my help me to pull in my body and mind. Stay in the present, enjoy my present moment, full and contented in my conversation, in my relation, full, contented with all the money, wealth in my life, and attract career opportunity, growth with satisfaction to the thumb. I choose to be full, satisfied, and content all areas of my life right now. Create growth and content with and around me. I choose to be peaceful, content, and satisfied, guarding my physical, emotional health, my weight, my appearance, anything. in my health, I peaceful, content, in my relation with myself, with my family, loved ones, every step. I choose to be peaceful and contented with my career, the growth I have, and for my goals I am working towards. Take action. I choose to be peaceful, satisfied, all the money, wealth in my life, what I already have. Choose to create more from the feeling of relief of satisfaction and control. Now, I choose to release it completely, let go, and feel full, satisfied, happy, joyful, and content, and choose to live a new pattern in my nervous system, in my body, mind, and take a deep breath and feel a golden light from the universe, filling each and every cell of our body, our system, heart, soul, within us, around us, in relation, everywhere, wherever we go, radiate, we reflect, and we peace, content, and satisfaction. Feel this feeling for few moments. Slowly open your eyes, rub your hands, all the positive energy and feeling, all the chakras, all the cells of the body, and let me know how are you feeling. And tell me in the chat below the intensity and the feeling, how are you, and nice. Thank you. Thank you so much.